Morning, folks. It's like you're in the streets of London here at the Badger Steam Show in Baraboo, Wisconsin. Yeah, it kind of reminds you of an old movie when you see a train running and all the steam coming out from underneath of it. These are some silent giants. These are huge, huge stationary engines. Now, they must have been used for pumping at one point in time, I would imagine. Barely hear the things run. We've got 4 of them actually in this building. Look at the mechanics on this thing. I can feel the heat coming off this right here from where I'm at. Pretty cool. Look at the governor. That's what they used back in the day. Probably lead balls, maybe cast iron. I don't know. Nobody here to talk to on this one, but it sure is a silent giant. Fun to see this old stuff running, but I wouldn't want to be dependent on it to pump my water. Stay tuned.